Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I am at Walgreens. I'm picking up a few things, trying some different deals today. I want to show you guys, I think I spoke briefly about the makeup deal. I just want to show you guys what I ended up grabbing and what I'm grabbing for this transaction. On this account, I have a spend 20, spend 22 get $6. So I'm going to build up this transaction so I can use Walgreens cash to pay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Rimmel products. These are $5.99. This is $6.99. Buy one get one half off. And then when you buy two, there's nothing coming back, but they're on the promotion for when you spend $25 on cosmetics, you're getting back $5 in register rewards. So two of them come out to $9.28. I'm grabbing the Revlon. So this is $11.99. And then this one here is $13 and some change. We do have $3 digital coupon for this, and there's a $3 digital for the lip. And we're gonna get back $8 when you spend 20. So we'll get back $13, $5 for spending 25, and then $8 for spending 20. So these come out to $25 and some change. We're gonna use a 20% off coupon because these are regularly priced. So after the coupon, they come out to $20.38. So that's gonna take me to $29.66. We do have 4 off of 2 for the Rimmel, and then we also have $6 coming off there. So we're gonna pay $19.66. We'll get back 13 here, $5 store register reward and $8 register reward. So that's 13. So that'll be 13. So that'll leave our final cost to be $6.66. What a bad number, right? Anyways, and then we're gonna get back $4 for each of the Rimmel. Let me show you guys those rebates as well. So here's a $2 for the face, and then here's a $2 for the lip for the Rimmel products. And then for the Revlon, we're gonna get back $3 for the lip, and we're also gonna get back $3 for the eye. So that's $10 that we're gonna get back. So that's gonna make this free and about a close to $5 money maker if you wanna count it this way, but this is where I'm gonna go ahead and get us started. So for the spend 22, so I can actually do this deal, use $5 in Walgreens cash and then pay the rest out of pocket, but I'm building up my transaction. So I'm trying to get to spend 22, 42. So 42, but I'm gonna get it up to 45 because I'm working on this account with a digital booster for when I spend 25 6 times. I'm gonna get back what is it, $50 in Walgreens cash. So I'm gonna go ahead and build this up to where I'm spending actually $45 out of pocket. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go for the Garnier Fructis. I was trying to see if they have like any stylers or anything. I don't see any stylers, but I actually need these right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab them. Jesus. Actually, I'm gonna do the whole blends because I can probably better use that. They are 2 for $8 and on promotion. For when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $3 in register rewards, and then when you buy 2, you're getting back $3 in register rewards. And we have $3 digital coupon. I think I just repeated myself there. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some Colgate. I'm gonna grab the bigger ones this time. So actually, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the larger Optic White. They are on promotion for $5, and then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. We do have dollar digital for the toothpaste as well as dollar digital for the toothbrush. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of the toothbrushes. There are some that are $4 and there are some that are $5. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these 2 right here. Okay guys, so I ended up grabbing one of the $4 toothbrushes because I put my total at $46 instead of $48, and then I'll be able to use $20 in Walgreens cash. So now I'm still meeting the requirement of spend 25. So let me minus my coupons, and then I'll show you guys what my final cost is going to be. So after all of the coupons, my total come out to $11.66. So we had $1 off the toothbrush, $1 of the toothpaste, $2 of the Garnier, $4 of the Rimmel, and $6 of the Revlon. So with that, I'm gonna use some register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket, and then we'll get back $8 for the Revlon, $5 for the Rimmel and the Revlon, $3 printout for the Garnier, and as well as $5 for the Colgate, and we should get back $6 in Walgreens cash. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do another transaction on this card. Oh Jesus, almost fell. All right, but I wasn't really planning on showing you guys, but it's gonna be a good deal because I found the Bounty. They are on sale for $11.99, and then buy two, you're gonna get back $4 in register rewards. I think we do have 50-cent coupons on these. So on this transaction, I'm actually adding this Centrum to it. This is $26.99, but it is on sale for $11.99. So I have a customer who actually called and asked, hey, can you buy this for me? So I was like, sure. And this is more than half off, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it. And then I'm going to add the Garnier Fructis on this one. Same deal as the whole blends, but as you guys know, the Bounty is supposed to be printing the double register rewards. So I'm actually wanting to test this out because it's the green ones that are doing it, but my total is at $43 and some change. So I want to get it over 45 so I can have another trip to count towards my spend 50. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these Dawn. They are $1.24. When you buy two, you're gonna get back $1 in register reward. So the Centrum, the Garnier, and the Bounty takes me right over $45. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these two. And then I'll use $20 in Walgreens cash, and I'll use some register rewards to pay down the balance, and I should get back $5 for $1 and $3 coming back here, so which would be a pretty good deal. I am planning on doing another transaction with the Gain products, but I also want to do it with the Listerine. So if I get a chance to do that today, I'll show you guys. So here is the first transaction that I did with the Rimmel, the Colgate, the whole blends, the Revlon. Here's a 20% here applying, and then these are the register rewards that I used. It did kick out the $8, so she had to manually enter it. The register rewards came off fine along with the digitals, and then total came out to 21 and change. Used the 20 Walgreens cash here, and then paid the change out of pocket. And we got back the $6 for spending $22. All right, so and then for Ibotta rebate, here's what we're getting back. So it didn't pick up the Rimmel, I had to skin them, but here's everything that we're getting back. A total of $10 there. And then let me show you guys what I got back for register rewards. So $3 for the whole blends, $8 for the Colgate, and here is the $5 store coupon for when you spend $25 on beauty items. I did get the $8, which I try to use on the Bounty, which I put back. I'm gonna share that with you guys, but here it is, the store coupon here that I can use on my next transaction there. And then here is the second transaction. So I ended up switching this up because this didn't print the $4 and it didn't print the $5. So I got the Centrum, I did the Tresemme. I was trying to get three of the same because I have trouble with the coupon coming off, but I just couldn't. But I grabbed it anyways. I'm gonna have to call customer service. Here is the Fructis, the Colgate again. I grabbed the $4 ones this time, no coupons on this account because I already used them. Here is the register rewards that I used, digital coupons, $4 for the Centrum, $3 for the Fructis. The $5 Tresemme did not come off, so she also had to enter the new $8 Revlon she gave me. For some reason, that's just not working. So should have paid $20 in Walgreens cash, $20.99, but it didn't work. So paid the rest out of pocket, and then the Walgreens cash coming back there. And then as far as what I got back the $5 for the Colgate. What we got here? Hold on, y'all. $5 for the Unilever, that's for the Tresemme, and $3 for the whole blend. On this next account, I have a spend 50 6 times to get back $50 in Walgreens cash. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the gain, picking up one of the bottles at $9.99, and then we do have a $2 digital, and then I'm also picking up the pods at $9.99 with a $2 digital coupon. We also have an online promotion for when you spend 30 on P&G products, you'll get back $10 in Walgreens cash, but that's only online, not in store. So on this transaction, I'm gonna go ahead and add the Listerine because I do have I still have more households that I can submit this to. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Listerine. With the Activate rewards, it is spend 20 get 5, spend 30 get 10, and then spend 75 get 25. I'm gonna go ahead and do the spend the spend 30 to get back 10, and they are on promotion for when you spend $10, you're gonna get back $5. So these are regularly priced items, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a 20% off coupon because these are regularly priced. I'm just gonna make sure that after my 20%, I'm still over the $30 mark, so I can get back $15 in Walgreens cash and I can submit my receipts. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 4 of them at $9.99. That's gonna take me to a little over $39, under $40 rather. And then I'm gonna use a 20% off coupon. That's gonna take me down to $31 and some change. So I'm still at the $30 mark there. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 4 of them. And I'll try to grab 4 different ones. There you go. So I'm gonna grab these 4. So we'll get back $15, and we do have dollar inserts that you can use, and we do have, I think, $1.50 only for your coupon, or some dollar digital coupons as well. So I'm gonna scan them to see what I have, and I might just use the $1.50 only for you. So I'll get back $15 and $10 for spending. I'm sorry. Yeah, and $10 Visa card for spending $30. And also, if you guys are not using Care Club, this is a good product that you can use Care Club with, and you'll get back gift cards and different things like that as they change. All right, guys, so with everything, I was only at $61.94. So I'm adding the Garnier for $8, and I'm also gonna go ahead and add the Dawn as well to take me over $72. I'll use 20 in Walgreens cash. We have $3 coupons here, $2 off the Colgate, and then $4 off the Listerine, and $4 off the Gain. All right, yeah, so I'm changing my mind. I'm gonna add the Nexus. They are buy 2 get $10, and the bigger ones are buy 2 get $15. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the smaller ones and use a 20% off coupon. And I'm actually grabbing this so that I can build up my transaction to over $100. All right, you guys, so here is the receipt for that last transaction, the whole blends, okay. Gain, Colgate, the Dawn, the Listerine, the 20% off applying there, the Nexus, and here is a 20% off taken off for a total of $16.40. The paper coupons for the Listerines. I was trying to use 3 register rewards, so I'm noticing it's kicking out register rewards when it's not attaching to an item. So I don't know if Walgreens is trying to fix the system, but here it goes. It only allowed me to use 3, and I can say the 3 attached to, one would have attached to the Nexus, the other 2 to the Dawn, and another one should have attached to the whole blends. But yeah, I should have been able to use 4 if they were attaching to each item. So I don't know. Here is the $8 for the Nexus, $3 for the whole blends, $2 each for the Gain, $1 each, and I'm also missing $2. Oh no, I'm not. I'm sorry. For the Listerine, I'm not. So $2 for the Colgate here and $1 for the Listerine. Total came out to 65 and change. And then use 50 in Walgreens cash. So I was expecting to pay about $10 out of pocket. But here goes 19 with taxes. So with taxes, okay, there it is, $10. And then I did get back $21 in Walgreens cash. So that's $6 for the digital booster. I haven't been getting paper boosters, well, at least since yesterday. And then here is the $15 for the Listerine. So all is well here. And then I'm going to submit back for another $10 Visa gift card. And yeah, I think this is all. If you guys have any questions or anything, just always leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So let me just go slow if you guys want to see all that I grabbed, and you can build up your transaction. Oh, and I did get back all of the register rewards. So $3 for the whole blends, $4 for the Gain, $5 for the Colgate, $1, and $10 for the Nexus. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to rack up on the Nexus just so that I can get those $10 register rewards, so that when I do spend $50, I can lower my out of pocket. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.